All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 574. Jason Lingburn is with me, and Ian Iverson joins us for the first time. Ian has put together a planner, which is calendars from every which direction. It is so useful, the amount of data and information, and you can look it up by the day. I've got one, and I use it. If you go read the description that I created for this episode at crow777radio.com, you'll see some of the observations I have made about the power of calendars and how they have been used. And everybody knows who made the one we're using now because it's got his name on it. Hour 1 is free to everybody at crow777radio.com. Members know to log in for the full episode. Members get access to all the forums. They can create forums, all the comments sections. They have access to all my solar video. The first solar video is there with my new giant solar telescope. The second one I am editing now, so it'll go up before too long, in a day, maybe two. With that, I hope to see everybody logged in. This is an episode that's important. Calendars are important. The way we keep time is very important. It leads us into a fantasy-based reality. With that, I would like to wish you all a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. There it is, man. Cheers.
Belief is the enemy of knowing.